Hey guys, okay, so you're wondering what kind of power generator to get for your house when there's a blackout. Well, this is a good choice. This is a good choice for the first one when you don't want to spend a lot of money. I think you can pick this up for about 200 bucks online. Click below, there's a link, we'll show you a little bit about how this works. This is the Champion, and it's a pretty good generator. It's very reliable. We'll show some of the features. It's a basic one, but it actually works pretty good. I had this one for several years and just started it up out of the box when there was a blackout, and it started right up, no problem. It's been sitting for a month, and we'll see if it starts. All right, let's get into it. So this is the Champion generator. Also one that I highly recommend if you can get it at a cheap price is this kind of a generator. It's not an inverter generator. It does only the basics, which is just run lights and a fridge. I tested that out, and it did work, the fridge and lights, and did not damage the fridge. The thing about inverter technology is it's for when you have sensitive electronic equipment. I don't know why you would need to run that during a power outage. This is for a major power outage, of course, when you're expecting to be out of power for several days. This will keep your fridge nice and happy and cold. It's pretty simple. This one comes with, what's nice is the on-off for the gas. That prevents your carburetor from getting all gummed up. When you're done using it, you're going to store it for a while. You put that to the off position while it's running and let it run out of gas. And this is a small tank, only 2 gallons of gas. It's a 1200 watt generator. You put it on choke. I haven't started this in about a month. You gotta, there's a switch power on. There we go. Simple as that. It runs. And then you put these here, put on the run. And I'll show you it works. You hit the gas like that. Cut the gas off. After a while it's going to sputter and die. 1200 watts. This kind of unit will run probably one refrigerator and all your, a bunch of lights and other stuff. We've got 1200 watts, which is pretty good. You can run even one sub-zero refrigerator, which I did as well. 2 fridges if one is a sub-zero. That's going to be too much power. But it's pretty good. It does the job. I also tested it during the power outage, and it's a good one. I ran it about 8 hours straight overnight. No problem. I'll put some links down below. Please support the channel. Please click. Thank you.